Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at IONQ. It is time for another update, and today we will be taking a look at the correction that seems to be unfolding to the downside, but yet this should be no surprise since the pattern that we were tracking to the upside has played out perfectly, and now we are looking for the much expected larger, more significant correction. But before we get there, I would like to go quickly through the larger time frame for any of you who might be new. And here we are tracking a 5-wave move to the upside, which at this point, well, it could still unfold in a couple of ways, because within this structure, within this white scenario, we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then we are looking here for the third wave that would be unfolding. Now, within this wave 3, we could actually track both an impulse and a diagonal pattern, and not even a diagonal actually, just an ABC structure to be unfolding. And we might not even be able to tell which type of structure has unfolded in the end. It might give us a clue, the strength and the size of this overall structure to the upside. It might tell us that, okay, this does seem to be more likely to be a wave C. It is more likely to be a wave 5 to the upside. In the end, we are looking for the same pattern to unfold within this area. What we don't know is the strength, the entire strength and scale of it, because yeah, so far within this structure we have been tracking an ending diagonal within which we have a wave 1 up here, a wave 2 down, and then within the third wave to the upside we were tracking internally this ABC structure. Now, since we have clearly completed this ABC structure and we have the wave 3 done, we can now look for the larger retracement here within the wave 4, for which we have the area of support between the $59.4 all the way down to the $33.6 level. In this correction, in this wave 4, similarly to what we have on the D-Wave quantum chart, we are looking for an ABC correction to be unfolding. Now, it may seem actually a bit easier to be tracking what we have here on this chart, because we may even be able to track an impulse within this area, but I would probably still lean towards an ending diagonal within this wave C down, but the structure just does look a little bit more simple to me on this chart anyway. Now, from this wave C top, yeah, we have formed here even a new additional high. We are looking here at an A wave down, B wave up, and a C wave to be unfolding right now to the downside. And within this wave C, we are looking to form a 5-wave structure, within which I would consider this probably a 1, 2, a third wave down, a fourth wave up, and then a fifth wave to come. Now, this wave 3, I'm not actually convinced is complete yet. I would like still to see an additional low to have a more full count within it, but it's not mandatory. I believe we could actually consider it done. I would like to see something like a 1, 2, 3, 4th, and a 5th to be unfolding, but I suppose we could go without it. Now, I can provide you internally an area of resistance to watch out for in case of an extension lower directly, but if we don't get it, well, we can look for a more generic area of resistance for the larger wave 4, and that would be for a diagonal pattern between the $47 level all the way up to, and this is the wrong thing, but all the way up to the 61.8% retracement at the $54.3. Now, the pressure for a direct low within this wave C to the downside remains only up to the $49 level. If we actually manage to get a sustained break above that, well, I would be pretty much looking only for this larger retracement within the wave 4. And in the end, if we manage to break out directly even above the 61.8% retracement, well, I would be prepared for at least a more significant correction, a more significant relief rally as part of, who knows, maybe a larger ABC. But hear me out, we may have even bottomed in that case, and we may already be looking for the 5th wave to the upside. But for now, there really isn't much else to be added. These are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.